Come on, Daddy, let her do it.
Okay, you do it.
Show it, baby.
You have a life jacket.
Oh, just that, okay.
You don't have to ride the tube. I know.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Get up here this easy. Ride the tube or ride the passenger.
Ah.
I would like to see Ruby ride one more time.
You need to get on that one more time.
It's a free-air game.
Oh! Hey, Daddy, don't do that. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Mukha daw siyang kawawa doon. Mukha na naman natin.
Ah.
Yun na lang next. Ako. Tapos. Oo. Tapos ikaw. Oo.
What that is, y'all figure it out, okay?
Ay, that's that's from the bottom. That's from the
Okay.
Daddy. Okay, that's enough.
Ryan, you next. You ready? Oh, I thought you didn't.
Tapos si Buddy from the bottom.
Her first time swimming in the lake.
Wala nang tao doon.
Dad!
Andun sila Delia, di ba? Andun doon. Umuwi na. Hindi yan umuwi sa kanila.
No, I'm up here. I'm not jumping in the water. I'm getting cold.
Kasal na kami. Sabi ko, what? Pwede?
Okay, I need to jump in the water now to watch her. So, that's enough.
Lahat tayo,